Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to be making a Christmas splatter screen wreath, and most everything came from Dollar Tree. For this wreath, you will need some shatterproof ornaments, and I bought those at Dollar Tree. You are going to need a splatter screen, and we just remove the knob. You will need a placemat. Now I picked up this placemat at Hobby Lobby for $3.99, but I got it on sale for 40% off. It's in the Christmas section. You will need some brush bottle trees, just one package. You are going to need a church Christmas ornament, and this came from Dollar Tree. You're going to need your hot glue gun and glue sticks, some floral stem wire, your wire cutters, and in the description box below, I will leave a materials list for you. And on the placemat, the number on the top left corner, if you can screenshot it, that will help you find it at Hobby Lobby. So we just remove the knob. If you want to, you could spray paint your splatter screen before you get started and let it dry. But I'm just taking some 20 gauge floral stem wire. I just centered up my placemat over my splatter screen, and I am just wiring it on. I picked up this floral stem wire at Hobby Lobby, but you can get it at Walmart, Michael's, Dollar Tree. Lots of places sell the floral stem wire, and this is 20 gauge. So I added 4 wires total. So just make sure you center it up and wire it on so that it stays in place. And you're also going to need a 18-inch greenery wreath, and this came from Dollar Tree. And they're not very full or fluffy or anything, but I just used one of the greenery wreath and I just wired it on, basically the same steps as adding the placemat. So just wire it to the splatter screen, thread your wires through, go to the back, give it a few twists, trim off the extra wires. Now there's not much to these greenery wreaths, so I did try to fluff it, but there's not much fluffing you can do, but just do the best you can. And right there it didn't even have any pieces to fluff. But after you get your wreath fluffed, you're going to pop off the top part of the little gold Christmas ornaments because they fall off if you don't pop them off. So just pop them off, and then you'll hot glue your Christmas ornaments to your green wreath. Now these are shatterproof from Dollar Tree, and you'll want to hold it for just a second and let it dry. And be very careful using your hot glue gun. I'm using a low temp hot glue gun from Hobby Lobby. It's inexpensive, but I really like it. So I just did a pattern. Glitter, no glitter, glitter, no glitter, all the way around the green wreath. And in the end, I ended up with 2 gold balls, so that's where I ended up putting my bow. So you'll want to let out a long tail, and you'll make your first loop, pinch it tightly in your left hand, let out some more ribbon, go the opposite side, make about the same size loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, make another loop. Just go back and forth, keeping it pinched tightly in your left hand. Try to make the loops the same size on each side. And just keep it pinched tightly in that hand. And don't let go. And you'll want to have some 20 gauge floral stem wire close by, or a pipe cleaner. And I just did 3 loops on the left, 3 loops on the right, let out a tail. And I'm going to add some floral stem wire and wrap it tightly around the center of my bow. This is the 1.5 inch width ribbon with wire, and it came from Sam's Club. And so to add your bow, you're just going to take your wires, thread them through your splatter screen, and then you'll go to the back and give it a few twists and trim off the extra wires. And just always remember to go back and fluff the loops on your bow. Make sure your ornaments have dried before you flip it over. And you could add some felt or a placemat from Dollar Tree to the back so it does not scratch your door if you want to. So that's how my bow looks. And you could stop right there. It's very pretty without adding anything else, but I wanted to add a little white church to mine. And so I picked this ornament up at Dollar Tree, and I added some hot glue to the bottom of it, and then I just put it right above the bow on the green wreath and let it sit and dry. I did go back and add some of the loopy yarn under it, kind of like for snow, to also make it more level and more stable. And if you need to, you could add a piece of wire around the steeple part so that it does not move, or fishing line around the top if you need to. And then I'm just hot gluing some little brush bottle trees to the left and the right side of the little church. Just make sure you let everything dry. You'll want to add a piece of floral stem wire to the very top. Just take your floral stem wire, thread it through the splatter screen, and make a loop. And that way you can use the wire to hang it onto your door. So this was very simple and inexpensive to make. Didn't take long at all. And I think this is one of my favorites that I've made this Christmas so far. And I will add in the materials list for you this barcode for the placemat from Hobby Lobby. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day.